Frenchman Edwin Van Ruymbeke loves him some birds. As a kid in the 60s, his dad actually built him a wind-up mechanical bird that really flew. Now Edwin is taking his love for birds and complex engineering to the next level with his own creation called Bionic Bird. Controlled by a smartphone and eventually a smartwatch, Bionic Bird can fly for 10 minutes at heights of up to nearly 300 feet. It's so convincing that real birds often join in the fun. The project is already funded on Indiegogo and is into stretch goals, which could include a built-in HD camera to record flights. Eventually, there may also be a hovering hummingbird-type model as well. Some early bird units are still available for $140 or get two for a $190 pledge.